Do you use IP to work online? Lots of ban on IPs, aren't they? But it has a solution. As an alternative to IP, you can try VPS. VPS stands for Virtual Private Server, with which you can sit at home in your own location if you work in USA. It allows you to work from your own location while using a PC based on USA. That means fewer ban, more reliable access. So in today's video, I will show you the top 5 VPS providers or website where you can get a VPS for under $10. Hard to believe, isn't it? But trust me, in today's video you will get it. Watch till the end and see yourself how to get reliable VPS for less than $10. And you can use it for any kind of purpose like survey, CPA or any kind of purpose. So let's go into the video. The first site is AlphaNet, very popular in Bangladesh, especially for survey work. Even though it's a Bangladeshi site, unlike others, it provides residential VPS option, including AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon ISP. That's something rare on most local platforms. They offer dedicated servers, US servers, Linux server. In the VPS section, you will get a option like Windows VPS, Linux VPS, LX panel VPS, and residential RDP. Let's take a quick look at their prices. Click on View Details to get the price list. Their basic VPS plan cost around $25 if you paid in USD. With this, you can do most kind of work, including survey platform and automation tools. If you want a fresh VPS not used by others, talk to their support first. The standard plan is the most popular. It comes with 4 GB RAMs. Higher plans go up to 8 GB RAM at $63. Linux VPS is cheaper, starting at around $14 to $20 4 GB RAM. You can definitely start with them if you are on budget. Our next option is Speed RDP, which is a great residential VPS. They mainly focus on residential VPS solution. USA residential VPS cost $30 per month. It gives you full admin access with 2 GB RAM or 4 GB RAM. You also get a 60 GB SSD, good speed and instant setup. Always ask support if you need fresh VPS for buying. They also have residential VPS for UK, India, Canada, Singapore and Germany. You can choose any country based on your need. They have also shared RDP, special residential RDP, voting RDP and Forex RDP also. Our next option is my favorite, 99 RDP. You will find everything here: VPS, RDP, admin RDP, cheap RDP, GPU RDP, residential RDP, etc. For example, private Windows RDP start at $10 for 2 GB RAM. It is good for survey, though a little slow. The 4 GB RAM version costs $20 and 8 GB RAM also available. They support multiple countries and pricing is flexible. Our next option is Database Mart. Though they do not offer residential VPS, their prices are very cheap. For $2.90, you can get a Linux VPS. This is very cheap. 6 GB RAM is only $6. The reason for cheap, it is not residential, but it works for maximum online work. You can try this. If you need residential VPS, you can set up a proxy inside the VPS. You can set up a residential proxy inside the VPS, so that will residential VPS. It's a master plan for you. Okay, final one is the best VPS provider, in terms of price and performance. That is Hynix. You will get 2 GB RAM. I like this one. You can get 2 GB RAM VPS for just $6.5. Their performance is also good. That this is 2 GB VPS work like 4 GB VPS. Although they don't have offer residential VPS, but it works for most of the purpose, including survey and forex and many more. The 4 GB VPS is only $12 and 8 GB RAM VPS is only $24. This one is the most cheapest and most efficient VPS solution. You don't even need a manual setup. Link to all sites are in the description. You can check it. So that's the full review. If you want deep video on a specific site or purpose, comment down below. I will make a separate review on that. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.